Welcome to my channel Positivity with Geeta Iyengar. Have you ever felt insecure or afraid from within? Oh, if I do this, this will happen. If I don't do this, this will happen. And all the time, this kind of fear, you're afraid, and that kind of thing is insecurity. Or are you able to recognize insecurity? Can you make out insecurity in some people? How? How do you make out? Because today we are not just going to talk about insecurity. What we want to analyze and discuss is how to get rid of this insecurity or how to face this. If you identify in someone, how to help them come out of this insecurity. It's a very difficult task, and people don't even mention about it because nobody talks about insecurity. It is such a well hidden emotion of yourself. And what happens? Like many times, you see people who are avoiding you, they don't want to talk to you, they will overtalk, discuss more than that is required. That means they are insecure. There are times, for example, I still remember I had gone to one function, and one of the lady was sitting there and somebody had ordered some dish and everybody was eating that. लेकिन ये इस औरत ने इमीजिएटली से मैं इससे अच्छा बनाती हूँ. Nobody asked about it. Nobody said that you are not cooking well. Nobody mentioned about her cooking. But she was all the time on the defense. Have you seen people? Many times they are on the defense. Nobody is bothered. People want to move around. People want to do things of what they like. But this person always feels, he or she who is insecure always feel that somebody is attacking me, somebody is going to expose me, I am going to get exposed, oh my god, I don't want people to know this side of me. Let me tell you frankly, there is no this or that side of you. This is what you are. Why do you want to show? Why are you so afraid within you that you're already imagining that others are going to pinpoint the defects in you? Others are always going to say, अरे तुम ठीक नहीं हो, तुमने अच्छा नहीं किया, तुम में गलती है, तुम में ये प्रॉब्लम है. You're always living in that world, an imaginary world which you have created on your own. ये आपका है ही नहीं कोई. Let me tell you, people move on. They are not, they're least bothered about what you are doing, what you are not doing. They're not bothered. Then why are you so worried? Because right from childhood, somewhere something has affected you, or you have not been able to prove yourself, that inferiority complex which is there in you, which you have created, and that is giving rise to this emotion called insecurity. You're so afraid of imaginary fear which is not real. But if you continue living with it, बार बार अगर वही चीज़ आपके साथ आए तो आप समझने लगते हैं कि मैं ऐसी ही हूँ, मैं बेकार हूँ, I cannot do anything. You start thinking like that. In fact, you may be very talented, you may be very able, but because of this feeling, you yourself say, oh my God, I will not go for an interview. No way. What if I fail? I will not go and do this performance. What will people say if I make a mistake? You're so afraid of failure. You're so afraid of not achieving something even before trying. Many people are like that. And they require a lot of counseling. In your family, you will come across a lot of people, they say, no, I don't want to come. They can sing well, dance well, write well, they can express themselves well, they have a lot of talent, but they have created what is called life. बचपन से ही आप सोचते हैं कि मैं बेकार हूँ, मुझ में कुछ नहीं होगा. When you go on thinking like that, you develop what is called as imposter syndrome. That means even though you can accomplish, even though you can become popular, even though you have lot of talent, you have putting yourself down so much so that others wonder, because they are not bothered whether you have or not. You have to fight your battle. You have to come out of this feeling. Unless you do that, you will end up in emotional stress, physical stress, Just imagine, in the family there'll be social stress because of you, because you'll get irritated all the time. ऐसे लोग जो होते हैं वो किसी से बात नहीं करेंगे, किसी से मिलेंगे नहीं, and they will have so much of stress कि उनको acidity, ulcer, all kinds of issues they will get just because of this insecurity. Just अपने own, you have created your own problem, and now you only have to solve it. Or to some extent families can say, nahi nahi, you are all right, you can do it, come out of this. But no, this is the battle which you have to fight on your own. Nobody will come there to help you. So friends, if at all you come across something called this kind of stress in you, emotional stress, physical stress, it is called what is called flight or fight. आई जस्ट गेट आउट ऑफ द सिचुएशन. अगर कोई कंपटीशन आ गया, या किसी ने बोला चलो जाके स्टेज में गाना गाओ, और किसी ने कहा कि चलो तुम खाना बनाओ, हम आज आई विल टेस्ट एंड सी, यू आर ऑलवेज अफ्रेड कि पीपल विल क्रिटिसाइज यू. You don't have other option. You're afraid because you only want praise, praise and praise. And let me tell you, the extreme case of this becomes arrogance. इसीलिए to hide that insecurity, they will expose that to be very arrogant, very proud, and then you start, the others will start hating them. They say, my God, ये इतना अकड़ किसके लिए? ये अकड़ नहीं, ये एक मास्क है, ये एक नकाब डालते हैं वो छुपाने के लिए अपनी कमज़ोरी, जो कमज़ोरी है ही नहीं. They're just imagining that there is this weakness, your own doing of this weakness. So the only way you can help yourself is only you sit down and think, मैं क्यों ऐसे कर रही हूँ. चलो, once you try, once break that ice, you are your own ice breaker. Break that ice and you see what will happen. At the most people will say ठीक नहीं है. और क्या होता है, दे आर आफ्टर ऑल पीपल. एटलीस्ट तुमने ट्राई किया. कई लोग तो ट्राई नहीं करते और बैठे रहते हैं. यू ट्राई, डोंट डू दैट. माई एडवाइस, माई सजेशंस आई वुड से इज, देर आर मेनी पीपल हु आर लाइक दैट, जो डरते हैं. डर गए तो मर जाते हैं. ये ऐसी जिंदगी, ऐसे मरना क्यों है? जिंदगी में जब मौत आती है तब मरो, बट नॉट व्हेन यू आर लिविंग. जब जिंदा हो तो अच्छी तरह से जियो. यू सॉल्व योर प्रॉब्लम. आप सोचिए, क्यों मैं ऐसे डरती हूँ, किस बात से मुझे डर है? वाई? ठीक है, इंटरव्यू दूंगी, आई टेक अप अ जॉब, आई चेंज. पीपल आर सो अफ्रेड ऑफ चेंजिंग, अ जॉब और अ हाउस or anything. They don't want to face challenges because they're afraid what will happen. And that is insecurity within you. And let me tell you, this poison is you have inflicted. आपने जहर पिया है, आपको ही ये जहर निकालना होगा. कोई नहीं आएगा आपको बचाने के लिए. And then if you live like that, you will lead a miserable life. If you want to live happily, if you want to do something in life, then remove this poison. And it's very easy to remove it. It will take time. I'm not saying कि एक ही दिन में, but you have to work on yourself. You're saying, नहीं, आज मैं try करती हूँ, क्या होता है देखेंगे. But if you don't do it, then you will become an arrogant person. और सब बोलेंगे इतना अकड़. Don't do that, because all are born with lot of talent, lot of ability. Your ability, you allow it to shine. Let your soul be free. Let your body decide. Let your mind decide. Give that power to your mind. You are a capable person. Friends, this is the only way you can win this battle of insecurity. And inferiority complex is a different issue, but insecurity is your own doing. You are afraid for so many reasons. You must have failed earlier. कोई बात नहीं, so what? Either you pass or fail, but try. It's better to try than not try at all. So, and if you find in your family people, counsel them, encourage them, tell them to come out, and then let them also fight this battle. It takes time, but you will definitely succeed, because if you want happiness, then you have to get rid of this poison from your body, from your mind. Get rid of all this tension, the stress, the physical tension that you have in your body, the muscle tension that you have in your body, and lead a peaceful life. So friends, once again, thank you for watching my channel. Thank you for listening to me, and thank you. And also once again, see which are the areas where you are not sure of, where you are insecure. Fight that battle. It's not difficult. You can fight it, because you have to say, I can, and you will. Thank you once again for watching. See you next time with another topic. Bye till then. Take care.